Hey, what's up guys? Today we're unboxing this Tofu84, which is a 75% soldered mechanical keyboard kit from KBDfans. I received this today for a client build, and let's take a quick look here at the product page. While we're doing this, be sure to hit that like and that subscribe so you can be updated on any future videos, and I look forward to seeing you then. This kit runs for $159 unless you choose one of the e-coating options. Those are $179. The electrophoresis process is a little more expensive because it's more likely to fail during the process, and manufacturers end up having to toss out more rejects. So that is why e-coating costs more. I probably mispronounced electrophoresis, but I tried. A for effort, maybe. This particular kit is the acrylic kit, which I like a lot because the PCBs that come with this include Underglow LEDs, and I find that the cases just look really cool with the Underglow. I've built a couple of the Tofu85s, not the 84, which is a 75%, and I think they look pretty amazing with the Underglow. Included in this kit is going to be the case. It says an aluminum material with the obvious exception of the acrylic case that we'll be opening today. It comes with the KBD75 revision 2 soldered version, which has a Type-C interface, RGB underglow, and support for VIA and QMK. The plate is an aluminum plate. As far as foam and case foam, or excuse me, PCB and case foam, they do now include that with KBDfans kits, which apparently they started in January 20th. I haven't gotten those in kits before. It's good to see that they are including that now. And they also include a USB Type-C cable. This also has cherry screw-in stabs. So I think that's about it for product page. Let's hop into this. You know, normally I would say what this cost me with shipping and everything, but I personally didn't order it as it's for a client build, so I don't have that information. I know normally KBDfans shipping is anywhere from $20 to $40. I believe they said they paid about $35 to have it shipped, so keep that in mind when you're planning on purchasing anything from KBDfans. Also, I am an affiliate with KBDfans, and that link will be down below, and there will be a product page link as well if you are interested in checking out or purchasing this board. So first thing I see here in this box is the USB Type-C cable. Let's see what kind of cables they are including now. So it appears to be a pretty standard straight cable with a nylon braid. Not a bad cable for free. I mean, it's not costing you anything. Why not? Looks like the usual KBDfans cherry stabilizers, screw-in stabilizers. Yes, they are screw-in stabilizers. You also get a 6.25 and a 7U wire, and their washers, which I like, that are adhesive. I wish I could get more of those adhesive washers. I don't know why I like them so much. I guess it's just because I tend to drop washers like crazy. Oh, got tape stuck to me. All right, is this going to come out of here? All right, having technical difficulties here. There we go. Man, pack that thing in there tight. All right, let's see what comes in this kit. We're going to open this guy up here. And so right here on top, you've got your case foam. It's your PCB foam that will sit between, or excuse me, your case foam that will sit below the PCB, between the PCB and the case. It looks like it does in fact have holes cut out for the for the RGBs. I was worried about that, and it does look like they have holes cut out. The little square holes will be where the RGBs will line up. You've got your plate foam here, which you would put between your PCB and your plate. That mutes the sound a little bit of the switches, keeps them from being quite as tinny sometimes and high pitched. Here's our PCB. It is the KBD75 revision 2 PCB, and just to double check, these, yes, so those holes do line up with the Underglow RGB LEDs, so that's going to be nice. That will not inhibit the color. So it is an aluminum, it looks like a brushed aluminum plate. So personally, I usually like to use POM or a polycarbonate or a PP polypropylene plate, but this one does include an aluminum plate. So if you like aluminum plates, you're in luck. And then here is our acrylic case. Okay, that's just dust inside. And so it's typical Tofu case that you're familiar with, the tray mount type case. Sorry, little finger oils there. It's just a typical tray mount case. Normally when I do Tofus, I use O-ring mounting method, so I'll probably use that as well with this one. It does look like they are putting KBDfans in there now. I don't know if you can see that there. Yeah. So they're engraving KBDfans in them now. I don't remember seeing that in any of the previous acrylic cases that I got from KBDfans, but I am looking forward to building this out and putting that underglow in there because, like I said, I think it's pretty amazing on these cases, and I'm hoping the client is going to be very happy with this build when it is all done. Don't have a definitive build date on this yet, as we're still waiting on keycaps, and I've got to finish getting switches lubed, but we will be building it soon on my Twitch stream. Links below for that as well if you feel like dropping in. I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks so much for hanging out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. Bye.